Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Lots of you ask me how do I solve this premium connectivity issue, or whether if I pay or not for premium connectivity, or whether it's worth it. So I decided to make a quick video today. So today I'm going to show you how you can actually create an automation on your phone so you can have internet all the time shared with your car without actually paying for your premium connectivity from Tesla. Of course, that's under the assumption that you have already an unlimited data subscription, or at least quite a generous bundle, so you can share the connectivity with the Tesla. So we will demo the automation process for an iPhone, but I will share in the comments how this is done also for an Android phone. So stay tuned, the video is starting right now. Alright, so I just came in the car, and of course if I want to use YouTube, for instance, it gives me the prompt that premium connectivity is required. This is for YouTube Music. This is also applicable for Tidal. This is also applicable, of course, if you have any other tier options, right? So you need to please connect to Wi-Fi or subscribe to premium connectivity. Now, how much is the premium connectivity? Well, you go to upgrades. This is how you can actually subscribe, and as you can see, the premium connectivity is 10 euros per month including VAT. This is applicable for the Netherlands. So in your country the price may differ, but slightly, but more or less this is the cost. You can swipe to subscribe, so with a single swipe you are already subscribed. But today we're gonna show you how you can actually do the Wi-Fi part. First of all, the most important thing that you need to do is to make sure that your car knows the Wi-Fi from your phone, because even if you enable the hotspot, if the Wi-Fi is not known, of course you cannot connect. So I just did a quick video on how you can actually enable the hotspot manually, and after you enable the hotspot you need to go here, and you need to look for your Wi-Fi. So you need to connect to your phone. Again, this is the manual process. We just need to have this already done, and you need to have this known to the car before the automation actually works. And now I'm going to show you how to do the automation. Alright, so doing the automation, it's actually super simple. What you need to do on your iPhone, again, you need to go to the shortcuts app, and here you need to actually create a new shortcut. So we look for personal hotspot. We can rename the shortcut, of course. I will just rename it to hotspot on, to be easy to find. And now what we're gonna do, we're gonna also create another shortcut for turning the hotspot off, because of course we want this to work when we are exiting the car. We want the hotspot to be turned off. This of course will save some battery on your phone. Then you need to go to the automation tab. As you see, we already have some automations here, and we just create a new one. We look for Bluetooth, we choose our device, which should be the Tesla Model S or whatever the name of your car is. We click run immediately, and we take the is connected part, and then of course we need to select an action for this. So when Bluetooth is connected, we turn on the hotspot. Now, as you can see, we have already this automation, and we selected it on run immediately. What I will do as well, I will create another automation again for turning the Bluetooth off this time, because when we want to exit the car, so when car disconnected, when the Bluetooth is disconnected from our car, we want to turn off the personal hotspot from our phone. So that's exactly what I created, and now let's see how this works when we are actually connecting to our car. Alright, so I just started the screen recording, and what we're gonna do, we're gonna exit the car and make sure that our personal hotspot is set to off. I'm gonna close the car, and actually we got the pop-up that the automation already ran when we exit the car. So basically I think the automation worked, the other one, but let's now approach the car and let's see if the automation works in the other direction, right? So let's enter the car saw me. Okay, entering here, we already got our pop-up, running our automation and Ray's iPhone connected. Alright, so we see that we are already connected to our iPhone. The car already found this network, so we can actually now use everything like YouTube, YouTube Music, Tidal, whatever you like.
De ijs is
Because
eerder goed
we
en blijft het ook
have
langer koud. De
internet.
ijsclub hoopt dat er meer schaatsdagen komen.
As you saw, we made this quick video. Again, I think this is a good workaround besides getting your premium connectivity subscription, which is around 10 euros per month. But of course, that's up to you, up to your convenience. Nowadays, I think most of the people have enough data bundle to actually share it with the car, and plus you have Wi-Fi everywhere. So I guess at home or something, you're using Wi-Fi on your phone. So I wouldn't be worried about the data bundle. That's it. I hope you like the video, and again I will also share the instructions for how to do it on an Android phone. That's really easy, and yeah, I think it will be handy for everyone. Keep in mind, of course, that this might impact, of course, the battery life of your phone, but since you have a Tesla and you can basically you're driving with a battery pack, you can always charge your car, you can always charge your phone while you are in the car. You can either use an USB-C cable, or for the newer models, of course, you have the wireless charging. So I think that's quite convenient. All right, thanks a lot for watching. I hope you like my video. I try to make it short. Don't forget to click like, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that already, and of course, if you plan to buy a Tesla, don't forget to use my referral code down below. This will bring you, at the time of creating this video, 500 euros or USDs when you are ordering a new Tesla, and of course it will help me get some supercharging credits as well, because I plan to do plenty of road trips and I plan to share the insights with you all. Thanks a lot, and see you in my next video.